Cebu-based talent, social media,
Talented individuals, no? Si John, the art of creating humorous content out of everyday scenarios that her fans have come to love. Before that, Bicon.
Thank you! Thank you, Sir. Our next content creator is Idol sa rin ako, Boya!
Atong meet and greet. In real life na yun. Ang energy po na nila no kay magsagol-sagol sa gyud ka ng
Adawat-dawat na lang yun. Pero in fairness, no, kanang mao na giingon day nga, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Sa Bisaya pa, gwapa ka kung...
We also have Kenty! A warm kinsa man ang inyong mga favorites? Kinsa? Tanaw na ko sa mga lista. Si Christian? Meet and greet. Let us all welcome everybody. Inka. Pinasam girls na itong atake kay one of the best voice-over artists in the Philippines.
Attention, please fasten your seatbelts. Welcome to Bicon. Hi everybody, how are you doing? Guys,
Baus Rufo and McCoy Dubs, the Dub So Divas!
Nila pa niyang naong.